Hi, this is Doug Smith. I'm going to do a training real quick on Matrix, which is our MLS. So again, the website is matrix.netris.net. I recommend we all put it on our phone, save it as a home screen. Once you get into MLS, of course, you're going to have your login, and that's going to be your license number and a personal password. At this point, once you log in, you might be at this screen where you have about 14 boxes. Always pick the one in the left corner, Matrix Netris, that enters you into the MLS. Once you're in the MLS, you're going to see that we've kind of cleaned our screen up to where it has 3 boxes. If anybody ever calls you and they want to know about a specific property, I always say that right here, this square in the middle, it's the search square. All you need is the street number and the first letter of the street name. And if you hit enter, if it's in the MLS, it'll come up all the way back to 2003. Let's say that you were looking at for 2000 or 8005 Fall Meadow. This is called the MLS number. I always say to click on that. When you click on it, this is called the agent full report. You'll want to go down here and hit print. You're going to pick the agent full report and preview it so you'll see what it looks like. And it is the most information that you can get. It's got to have all the contact information for the listing agent. So again, that's what it'll look like. I recommend that we always print that if we're going to write up an offer. Okay, the agent full report. You print it. Then you hit the back button and you'll be back at the agent full report. Above the picture of the home, you can see right next to listing, it says tax. Click on it and print this. This is the tax roll. You'll print that, the tax roll, and the agent full report. Put them on both sides of your computer and you're ready to lock and load on writing up an offer. So again, you always want to print the agent full report, and that's the way you do it. As soon as you see the MLS number, you click on it, and that's the agent full report. Covering the agent full report, let's look at some highlights. At the top, we have the MLS number. Here's the address. If you click on it, it pulls up a map. You can see what the backyard faces. There's some maps that you can click on for floodplain. That's the city, the zip code, and the price. Underneath the address, you've got the category, but right here it says SUBDV. That stands for subdivision. When we write up an offer in paragraph 2, it says lot blank, block blank, blank addition. Addition and subdivision are synonyms. So that's where the blank addition will go, Crystal Creek. There's the county. So we have the city, the county. That is the addition or the subdivision. And then, of course, right next to the picture, you have lot 26, block H. So filling in paragraph 2, it would be lot 26, block H, Crystal Creek addition, city of Plano, Collin County, known as 8005 Fall Meadow Circle, 75024. All right, once you get down here, you've got bedrooms, baths, living areas, dining rooms. You've got square footage right there. You've got year built right here. There's a mandatory HOA. That's right there. So that means that paragraph 6E2 would be marked that there is an HOA, which I template that we do have. Scrolling down, you've got the school district in case anybody wants to know. You've got the remarks section down a little further. I always think it's important to look at this property description. Okay. You're also going to have public directions on how to get there. You're going to have public remarks, and then you're going to have private remarks, and you might have another one over here that says exclusions. Exclusions. If there's exclusions, I like to just copy and paste it into paragraph 2E. 2E, Ernie, is exclusions. I'm sorry, 2D. 2D is exclusions. 2E is mineral rights conveying to the buyer. So remember that if you see exclusions here, that's going to go in 2D Delta exclusions. Okay. This is where you see how much you're getting paid. Buyer agency commission on a sale. It's going to be like 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5. On a lease, BAC will say 30, 40, $250, 50%. That's how you know what you're getting paid. Of course, right here is days on market. So it tells you the days on market. That's always good to know. And again, this is called the agent full report. It's going to be super important to know how to get to this, and it's just clicking on the MLS number. When we go up to the top above the picture and you click on tax, the tax roll is important because it tells you the owner. Down at the bottom, it's going to tell you the taxes that were paid in 2021, in case the buyer wants to know that amount. And it's always good to know that the seller's name matches the seller that's going to be in paragraph 1. So paragraph 1 of the contract, you put this name here because it's on the tax roll as a seller, and then you put the buyer's name based on their pre-approval letter. So there you have paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Of course, paragraph 2 is going to be lot block. Blank addition is the subdivision, county, city, known as. That will be the physical address. Paragraph 2D delta is exclusions. 2E talks about mineral rights. And then we basically go to paragraph 3. 3A is the down payment. 3B boy is the loan amount. And 3C Charlie is the offer price. 3A plus 3B will always equal 3C. So I hope this helps. Just a little preliminary training this morning on MLS. Y'all be safe. Make Thursday the greatest.